Yala, yala, yala. Oo, good afternoon. Kasama natin si Don Kevin ngayon. Afternoon ride. Yan. Tsaka nasa harapan, Brother CB for the first time. Yeah. We will go to they said they will go to Ayan Garci, but I think we will only loop right for this afternoon joyride. Hey, come on, let's go. And that's Brother CB. Shout out Dr. Ernest. See, Brother CB now is with me riding bike. Where are you, Dr. Ernest? Come join us. Going to the loop ride from Jahanin only and get the Ayan Garci. Okay. Yalla yalla yalla. Yalla yalla yalla. Yalla 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 yalla. And Kevin and Brother CB. Oh, mashallah. Go there, Kev, diretso na akyat. One. Come on, Brother CB. Oh, Dr. Ernest, where are you? Nah, they will climb there. Oh. Ah, they will climb. Oh. Oh. Let's see, where are the guys? Where are the guys? Where are the guys? You know? Woohoo! 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 Galing! Yahoo! Yeah, guys. Look at that, Dr. Ernest. Brother CB, oh, climbing. Mashallah. Oh. Yes, kaway naman dyan. Brother. Oh, wait for me at the top. Yalla, yalla, yalla. Oh, that's right. Kala mo earlier, oh. Brother CB. Oh, shout out Dr. Ernest. And Don Kevin. I'm waiting for Lakay. Lakay is coming. Maybe 2 to 3 minutes he's come. And after that he will go over there. He will ride over there. Yala. Yala. Now we will go there. There. Very nice. City of Salalah. Mashallah. That's Brother CB. And Don Kevin. Oo, para sa bibidyo. Ang ganda dito, guys. Yala Habibi, come to Salalah. So guys, you are climbing here in the road to new airport. Aywa. You can see too much camel. Very nice. Too much camel over there. Woo-hoo-hoo. This is Salalah, guys. This is Salalah. Yalla, 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 yalla. Go. We are are here now in Al Saada to Sahal Note. Oh there. Very beautiful place. This is Lala. Aywa. Welcome CB and Kevin still with me. Sila kaya habol na lang doon sila kaya. Yala yala. Alright, let's ride guys. Let's ride. Yala. Those are the camels. Stop. Sam. Oh, nice. Yeah, they're crossing. Yala yala. Camel crossing. Oh, guys, oh. Jahanin yan, oh, yung maraming ilaw. If you saw so many lights, that is Jahanin. Dito lang tayo. Still with Brother CB and Don Kevin. Wala pa rin sila kay. Ang tawag ko ano sumasagot. Ayan guys. Itong road nito going to the Jahanin Road. Yala yala. Lakas ng mga kalabang kasama ko. Any shoutout, Brother CB? Shout out to Dr. Ernest. I think Dr. Ernest Tang already beaten. He bite his tongue because I keep on mentioning his name. Hi Doc Ernest. Come with us. Join us. Yala. Kita nyong maraming ilaw. Hinakit namin yan. Jahanin yan. Yan. Ito na yung road na shortcut na long cut yun. Tapos yung ilaw naman yan 18 yan, 18 mountain. Ito Jahanin. Yala. Guys, ito pa rin mga kasama natin. Yan Kevin. Hard pa. Pet malu, hard pa. Yun. Yan, si Brother CB nandun sa likod. Yan. Kev, kakaliwa tayo. Nice.
Na yan? Usang ka lang yan.
What?
Usang ka lang yan. Nakakaingit naman.
Parang palasyo, no?
Tangga lang yan.
Oh, look at the door. Ang laki. Yeah, gaganda bahay dito guys sa looban. Mga mansion, ha? Mansion. Yeah. It's a mansion. It's a mansion. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Oh, look at that, oh. Bahay dito. Tagtag. Yan. Abandon na nga yung iba guys, eh, oh. Bigay sa akin yan. Ako, ayusin ko yan. Pagandahin ko yan. Yay, wah. Yala. Here, without lakay. Nangalan na yung kamay ko, guys. Kakapidyo. We will go there to the other place. Haywa. And we will wait for lakay. We will go. Ah. Oo nga eh. That is the place we will go. Oh my goodness, sakyatin pala.
Bangin?
Oh, bangin. Cliff. Yeah, it's a cliff. Sakyatin guys.
First time ko yata ito naman dito ah.
Natuklasan namin nila kay ito eh.
Ha?
Natuklasan namin nila kay.
Anong bangin yan?
Bangin ng walang hanggan. Look at that. Alright. Ganda talaga ng Oman. Salalah Oman. Whew. Enjoying riding a bike.
Same bike. Same bike? Yeah.
Yan, nagpapag.
10,000. Yeah, same
Nagbibilangan
bike.
sila, nagbibilangan
Yeah,
sila
same
ng
bike,
ano.
10,000. This is good. 10 by 3 by 10.
Yeah, 3 by 10.
I like this now, specialized.
But the good is, the better is that one. I like that one.
Yeah.
This is a...
9 by 5.
What is that? A wood? Wood?
No, all change.
No. Not 2 by 2 or 4 by 4. What is that? Paluchina?
But I had this 10,000.
Yeah, this one.
Yeah.
What happened?
I don't know, somebody.
Stolen na, yeah. I hear that.
Alibaba.
Yeah, somebody Alibaba.
See, too much people there. So, what people like it? But no, I don't like. Because, since I know these people, if you go the original bike, you should put like that.
Yeah, see? Okay, let's go. Kaliwa lakay. Ay, saan ba yung daan? Ayun na nga pala yun eh. Yun na pala yung daan na yun. Lakay! Hindi na tayo pupunta dyan. Ito pala yung daan na yun. Yala, we are here in this place. And Dreamland. So, Dreamland. This is a Dreamland with these guys. And Kevin, Lakay already here, and Brother CB are here. The area very good.
Dreamland pala ito.
Yeah, Salalah Dreamland. Kami
Pangakyat sa van? Sa Timberland?
Ito na inip sa inip. Parang kulang pa. Akit
Brad.
pa daw siya. Kulang pa. Ito si Lakay the Legend.
Yung van, yung Timberland, kaya ba agad yan? Kahit balik-balikan ko siguro yung Timberland, ano?
Oo, kaya mo yun. Timberland lang pala eh. Parang kahoy lang yun eh. Kaya nga timber, di ba? Timber.
Tingnan mo ito sa akin, napakabigat yan.
Okay, mag-chay.
Mas
Chay
mabigat
kami
yun sa
muna.
kanya?
Tsaka
Lakay?
ano.
Ha?
Mas mabigat yung sa
Patira.
kanya? Pare?
After that,
Mga
we will
ganun
go
sa
home.
kanya.
Maganda.
Ano kami? Chay muna
Malaki
kami.
ang
Ito,
sildo yun, mga sildo lang namin dyan, 350 lang.
Alright.
Magsimildo ka na lang
So,
pagka.
yan. Straight and then ano? Yes, going home na. Where? Diyan? Okay, muna ka na.
Saan?
Eh, dyan, diretso. Okay, we'll going na until next adventure. Alam, uwi na kami. To go home, guys. With Brother CB, Lakay, and Kevin in front. He's the lead today. Time to go home. Until next adventure once again. Yalla, yalla, yalla. We'll go home. We will ride here to the airport. The same road that we came here. Okay. Yalla, goodbye.